Google Pixel 9 is likely to be launched this year, and the company has teased its release, which is scheduled for August 13. There is no official information out in the market yet, but according to rumors and leaks, a lot of information about the device is available. A tipster has recently revealed a video of the alleged Google Pixel 9. The shared video features the display, back panel, and some functions of the device. The new clip, shared by Hani Mohamed Biod on X, apparently comes to us from Algeria. It consists of a few seconds of pink Pixel 9 footage, showing the phone being waved around in front of the camera. The phone shown in the video matches with the renders we've seen of the Pixel 9 before, and pink is one of the rumored colors. This new pink color variant is purportedly named Peony, after the vibrant flower, and has a glossy shade. Biod also claims the phone contains 256 GB of storage, which is a believable number. We see the display side of the phone, but we don't see it switched on, making it hard to tell if this is genuine or a dummy model. Google doesn't sell Pixel phones in Algeria directly, which you could read as further evidence against this leak being genuine. However, Pixels can still be found outside of Google's own network via resellers, who perhaps have less stringent security that allows the phones to turn up on social media like this. A new report from South Korean publication ET News points to Google using Samsung's latest display technology for the upcoming Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro smartphones. Now, we're seeing a few more angles. A video initially posted to TikTok by Reparation Mobile 23 shows the pink Pixel 9 from the back, sides, and front, with the display turned on. From this, we can see the device has a completely flat glass panel like its predecessors, and also that the bezels appear to be just about identical to the Pixel 8. The next generation of Pixel phones could come with new Google AI features, including one that sounds a little like Microsoft's controversial recall tool. As reported by Android Authority, Google is working on a Pixel Screenshots feature that can save and process helpful details from your screenshots, allowing you to search through them. In a surprise announcement, the tech giant says it will host a Made by Google event on 13th of August at its Mountain View HQ in California, weeks earlier than expected. The brief teaser video is titled AI Meet Ni Ak, a fairly straightforward allusion to artificial intelligence and the Roman numeral 9. While Google remains tight-lipped, leaks suggest the Pixel 9 series will come equipped with the latest Tensor G4 processor and run on Android 15. The base Pixel 9 might feature a 6.24-inch AMOLED display, while the Pro and XL models could boast larger 6.34-inch and 6.73-inch screens respectively, all offering a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Many rumors have also pointed out that the Pixel 9 will have 12GB RAM instead of the 8GB RAM on the Pixel 7 and 8. As for pricing, there are no official details yet. However, considering last year's Pixel 8 launch prices, we can expect the Pixel 9 to start somewhere around $950 for the base model, with the Pro model likely reaching $1,300 for the base variant. Google's holding its next Made by Google hardware event on August 13th, where it has not so subtly teased that it will be revealing the 9th generation of Pixel flagship phones. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.